Chatter's boat and we're going for a sunset cruise. It's gloomy, but it's gonna be nice.
We made it.
Look at that.
Wow. Crazy. Look at this. Damn, girl. These pillows.
That's so sweet. Oh my gosh.
That's so cool.
This is so cute. They put both our names. It's so thoughtful. They're honestly the best. They don't just like do something, they make you feel very special. They're like, yeah, bring Pip, it'll be fun. But no, they made sure they put Pip's name on the pillowcase and they left like products for him. It's just so sweet. They have all these products lined up. I didn't even know they have Dermalogica at Chatter's. Maybe it's a new addition. They placed all their products around the room. I can't wait to try. Ooh, I love this brand. What? Look! They put Aries here, like because my birthday's, I'm an Aries. We have our own balcony. That's so cool. Oh my gosh.
That's pretty cool.
What? That is so cool. We could wear this. All the girls will probably... Oh my god, it's so...
Also have a waterproof phone case here, eh? This is the view here.
I also have to show you this. Like, what? My own carry-on
That's
luggage.
pretty cool.
More space to bring more things. You know how much I love custom pieces? This has Dia on it, and I love the color of the PJs too. We also noticed they left some beard care and like men's hair care products here, which is so thoughtful. They accidentally put these happy birthday. Is this it? Isn't this just sparkling water? I don't know if this is it. Maybe they just put the card here accidentally. It's my tote bag from dinner. All of our products specially customized for our hair care needs. And they put a little notebook and a sweater that I'm going to take for the boat ride. That's the sweater.
Oh, nice.
Believe in what your hair can be. That's funny.
So I'm here trying to enjoy my steak. I got room service thinking that, you know, I'll have dinner by myself in my boxers. And then Dia comes running in saying, quick, get ready, get dressed. You're coming on the cruise with us. So I have 10 minutes to finish this meal. And I don't know how long it takes you to eat a ribeye.
Cause don't rush it. I'm excited you're coming. What is this? It's fancy. Oh, it's mayonnaise.
You're smart bringing the sweater.
Yeah. I get cold really easily.
Ta-da!
We're going down to the lake. Are you excited?
I am excited. I kind of wish I was able to bring the drone.
Yeah.
But we're worried that the sun might set too soon and then we'll lose the drone. So
Super overcast and gloomy, but it's okay. It's gonna be nice. You can use the drone tomorrow.
yeah. Okay. Dia is always efficient by trying to think of couple content ideas, but I'm here trying to just capture the beauty, take it in. We're finally at the destination.
Oh, it's funny because I keep getting stuck in this. Do you think there's anything funny? It's funny. It's relatable.
She
Bobby,
finds things. She finds things and then she makes it relatable. If this doesn't go viral, if you guys don't engage with this video, I swear to God, look how much effort we put into this. And here we have Lizzie.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Izzy. My apologies. Photographer of Chatter.
And I'll be not going anywhere. I'm gonna take a video of you guys maybe walking in with her.
Yeah.
Chatter's so cute. I know. Hold them out, girls. You're gonna do a little clank or move back, and everyone's like smiling. Okay. Ready? I think that's do an actual clank. Do an actual? Yeah, do an actual clank. sunset. You're blocking Dea's face. Oh, lower. In the nicest way possible. Oh my god. 1 second.
Classic strategy.
Okay, ready? It's Izzy.
The TV in there.
I am single.
What did they do, Pep?
What does that say? Read that. Sir, I'm available. Let me fix my bangs if that's okay.
Alright, we're in day 2. Now we're off to go jet skiing. Dia's all dressed in her Chatter's bathing suit. Hi.
Hi.
She's caught off guard.
Yeah, we're not going to go carrots. But that doesn't go directly there. We have to do like a little
Party elevator! It really is like the Barbie swimsuit, eh?
Yeah, she's sponsored by it.
Hey! Are you guys ready to jet ski? Yeah! Alright, so here we got Blake and Aurora taking off in the jet ski.
Ready?
Rip it! Woo! Woo! So Dia's going on a jet ski, and I'm gonna try to drone the experience, so let's see how it goes.
Listen. Oh god. Little Mermaid. Part of your world.
That jump
Beautiful day.
was bad. Your jump is
In the
so
pool.
good. The second
Water splashing, okay? Part of, yeah, exactly. It's gonna be a vibe. It's gonna happen. Cut to video.
Someday I'll be part of your world.
Let's see the final look. Oh wow!
Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's like mermaid.
Yeah.
Mermaid waves vibes, but not really, right? It's
No, you guys have the
more-
same hair.
Yeah, it looks like really like lioness vibes.
He's like,
I'm
you
coming
took an hour to do
yeah.
that.
I woke up like this.
Yeah.
I'm in charge of vlogging today, so I'll
And
see
I'm
you
on a
later.
little
You're on
dinner
a
date.
date with Blake.
Alright, have fun, okay?
Bye.
Bye.
Can you show us around? Where are we?
That's it.
Okay.
So
Dinner.
this is the dinner that we all finished.
No, I didn't forget. This
She
is,
did not forget.
this is just the best part of the content, the finished plates.
This is the chatter
It is
sign.
beautiful.
This is a chair.
Beautiful.
This is a milk. This is a flower. This is a.
product.
This is. Oh, we can't forget verb.
Cute.
Okay. This is.
This
This is the creme brulee that she didn't want to eat. This is the creme brulee she didn't want to eat. Okay.
I
feel bad.
Shared her dessert with me.
Yes, and then this is where she was sitting. Yes. Okay. And then this is where I was sitting.
A beautiful recap. I got everything. All the important parts. Thank you, Izzy.
No problem. I'll be here 24/7.
Alright, our camera audio decided to stop working just as I was about to record an episode of Cheaters because I just found Pip on another date with someone that's not me.
Coming up on this episode of Cheaters.
He's actually right across the street.
Just kidding, Pip and Blake were enjoying a cute little dinner date and Izzy and I decided it would be the perfect time to crash it because they have been crashing all of our Chatters events all week long. Their food choices were really funny. They were literally having jelly beans and like gummies for dessert.
Person.
This is like the 5th time he tells his story.
It's the funniest story. So then, as we go there, she picks us up from the airport. And I'm like, oh, hey, Swarna. Like, so
Wait, you better not be taking him out on a date.
well, it depends. Is he putting out or?
Yeah, where are we going?
You can find out or?
We're at the Ruchi Masterclass. That's Cindy who's going to be teaching us.
This is called On Base. I love that you're doing it.
Yeah, I just want to see how you did the volume.
Okay, so notice when we were going and we were doing that volume, you were wrapping it away. You want to go under because I want to create that root to go up.
It looks so good. Sorry, I like it.
You were staring because I looked super funny.
No, it looks so good. And then I was like, wait, I didn't see you doing your hair. It looks great.
I know. You're just unweaving the whole thing. Start up here to try to get that out and see how I'm just like.
I'm like double camera action over here.
So good. I am the celebrity's hairstylist. Don't trust me.
Who do you think is choosing to do?
You like the top one?
Awesome. How does that feel?
Oh, like luxury.
I'm ready. Let's do this.
So your curls are phenomenal. Okay. So
Show the product.
Come on. You know how to do this.
yeah. No, now show
Wait, you made it look easy.
Yeah, that's a lot there. Nice. Oh, then you're gonna whip it to the other side. Yeah, flip it.
Okay.
Yes. Perfect. No. Yeah. 100%.
I should be recording this. Like, yes, tell me more. Yes,
The other side just to balance.
How's it look?
it's amazing. Cute. Oh,
Yeah,
the
great
curls.
And honestly, you're gonna steal that from her too.
Okay, perfect.
It's really good.
This is mine, by the way. Okay?
Hey,